Hi, this is Sparkle. Today we're making homemade sausage rolls. And you can see outside it's a bit wet and rainy and windy. So we've decided to do something inside. Sausage rolls. So these are the ingredients you need. You need some sausages. We haven't made sausages. We've bought them, but then peeled the skin off, because it's better without the skin on. And then we've got some ready-made puff pastry. You can make your own pastry, but it's better. We just buy it. So then you need a couple of sausages, just in a row. And then if it doesn't fit at the end, you need that much space at the end. So on each end, so then just move it forward a little bit so you've got that space at the back. See? And then you get your fork, and then you just very gently put it on. And voila, they're done. But one more thing, you need to put them in the oven for 20 minutes. So it is now ready to take out of the oven. You might want to stand back because there'll be a waft of hot air. Yeah, that is hot. Ew. Make sure you don't touch your bare hand with the black bit or whatever colour tray yours is, because it'll be boiling. And I hope you enjoy your sausage rolls, and they will be delicious if you like sausage rolls. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.